Recently, Saintfloew and Nisha Tees, they were in Chiredzi uko a live performance of this song Kutsamwa Kune together on the stage. So on this video, I'm going to play for you this live performance. You have comment, guys. Just tell me what you think about it. But as you can see, that was fire.
Blessings unto the man selector. One more time. Blessings to the man selector.